Hi everyone, I'm Michael Ginn with King Canada Tools. If you're taking on a big job that requires increased power, smooth cuts, and repeatability, a step up in machinery could really help you out. And there's a lot of woodworking you can do with a job site table saw, but a stationary saw just does it better.
The KC-10HCX is a 1.75 horsepower, 15 amp hybrid cabinet table saw that comes pre-wired for 120 volt power and ready to plug into any regular household 120 volt outlet. This is a huge benefit, as wiring up your shop for 240 volt power is time consuming and can get expensive. The good news is, with the change of a switch and some wiring, you can convert to 240 volt and enjoy the benefits of lower power draw and cooler running also. The KC-10HCX uses a left tilt 10-inch blade and offers 30 inches of rip capacity, which is more than enough for most cuts using sheet goods like plywood, melamine, and MDF. And with its large 44-inch by 27-inch cast iron table, large pieces are well supported, providing you with cleaner, safer cuts. For even larger capacity, consider the 50-inch accessory bar set, which is quick and easy to install. To keep all your cuts safe, the KC-10HCX comes standard with a riving knife blade guard and anti-kickback fingers, so material that has been pushed through the blade can't come back towards the user. This blade guard also comes equipped with a laser guide, which helps you line up your cuts for increased accuracy. When making cross cuts involving different angles, the included miter gauge can give you confidence and repeatable results when used in conjunction with the saw's precision ground miter slots. The KC-10HCX boasts a cutting depth of 3 1/8 inches at 90 degrees and 2 3/16 inches at 45 degrees, which means that when used with the included 40-tooth carbide-tipped combination blade and the 1.75 horsepower belt-driven motor, you can handle jobs of all sizes with ease. When hooked up to a dust collector, the 4-inch port and blade shroud on this saw help to draw away unwanted sawdust, keeping your workspace cleaner and your lungs healthier. The King Industrial Duo fence is a welcome addition to this saw as well, offering increased versatility over the simple job site style fence found on smaller saws. The 2-position aluminum fence allows for regular ripping in the vertical orientation, as well as more fence clearance in the horizontal laydown position, allowing for easier cuts on smaller or thinner pieces. To keep all your accessories organized, there is a convenient accessory holder under the table for wrenches, Allen keys, and kickback fingers, as well as storage for the Duo fence and miter gauge, keeping your space more organized and your workflow uninterrupted.
To learn more about these and other King Canada tools, contact your local dealer or check out the website at kingcanada.com.